Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can transfer your photos from your gallery to your Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in Google Drive on my PC, and on PC it is very easy. If you have a gallery or a photos folder in your system drive on your PC, you just want to locate it. I'll just use this folder as an example. It's other tutorial videos, but let's pretend they are pictures. What you want to do is just select the files that you want, drag them and drop them over, and as you can see, it'll upload really quickly. I'll just delete that, but that is pretty much how you transfer it. Another way, especially if you're on mobile, what you want to do is click on new and then click either file upload or folder upload, and then locate your gallery on your device through that method. And then once you find it, you just click it, select it, and upload it to here. And that's pretty much it. As far as I know, there is no other sort of method to do this. This is the only two ways that exist. There might be an alternative method for mobile phones, but I'm not very sure. But in essence, this is pretty much all you need. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.